Welcome to Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing some key resources you want to tap into as part two of his chat on maximizing your gardening experience. So stay tuned.
You do need to go on an investigation of the nurseries, the local nurseries where you live. Go figure out exactly what they're selling, because they will sell the plants that you need to grow for the season and location that you live in. You're not going to find olive trees in Boston, Massachusetts, but you might find them in the southern part of the state, of southern part of the country, I should say. I remember one time I was in Georgia, and I was in Atlanta, Georgia, and we had a nice garden there. But I went down south, close to, what is it? Not Savannah, like Macon area, even further than Macon. And they were selling olive trees. They weren't selling those in Atlanta, but they were selling them near the Savannah area and even further. So like different regions of your state, it goes to show you that they all have their own traits, and people who are selling plants, the nurseries, even like somewhere like as small as like Home Depot, Walmart, Lowe's, they have their nurseries there. You should go visit them and see what they have out as plants for sale. The other thing you want to look at, if you really want to find information about the area that you live in, find your local extension office. The extension offices are set up by the colleges and universities to specifically help the farmers located in the area that you live. Go to Google, type in your zip code, say extension office near me. Okay, you want to know that, investigate that. They have a wealth of information, pamphlets and things like that, that you can peruse and get information about the area that you live in. Also Google your annual precipitation. Find out what your area gets for rain. Once again, Google, put in your zip code. What zone do I live in? What's the minimal temperature that will hit the area that I live in? You want to know this because, once again, every area of the country is different. You have different regions. They have different characteristics. So you want to look at those. Last thing I should say is look at your farmers' almanacs. Study those. Those are your Bible. Keep those. They have wealth of information. Do your own research. And with that, I'm out. Listen, once again, do that homework and you'll be all right.